Hey there, this is B-Ray 549. Okay, so the next one I'm going to work on is this, that looks like a 1/2 inch breaker bar. And the name is Chromax Quality. I'm sure it is. And what I did, got this piece of PVC pipe, I glued the cap on in the end, and going to drop this in here, and I'm going to fill it with the Evapo-Rust. Okay, and I'm just going to stash it back here, and nobody will even touch it back here. We'll just let that sit for a couple days. Now let's get this. Okay, so alright, I let this soak overnight, actually 24 hours, and time to see how it did on this breaker bar. So I'm just going to pour this out into the cup. And now I'm going to kind of rinse it with water. A little bit more. Alright. I'll pour the water out. Okay. So I got rid of all the rust. There's some, I don't know what that is, grease or something. Here's the brand. And now I'll take it to the wire brush and see if I can't get that looking a little bit better from what it is now. So this now works beautifully. You can see the amount of pitting. This was probably sitting in a toolbox full of water somewhere outside, or even inside somewhere, I don't know. Got all the rust out, all the dirt out. It's just metal now, and you can see how it's really pockmarked and pitted. So one thing I might try is a belt sander. Sometimes that really makes a tool look almost like new. So let's see, let's just do a little experimentation on that. Well, there you have it. It looks a lot better than what it did. And I think I'm going to do a little bit more sanding on this. Try to get rid of some of that pitting. And now it's time for the before and after. The before and the after. That's one nice piece of metal right there. Got rid of all that pitting. Got rid of all the rust. Doesn't look brand new, but it looks pretty good condition. There we go. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Really appreciate it. And as always, have a great day.